What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the tracker of all trackers of Voluum. So as you can see, I'm in my Voluum dashboard right now. I have a new partnership with Voluum that I use them in all of my CPA marketing related videos, and this is the account they provided to me. It's pretty empty, I only used it for one video so far, but let's have a look. Let's look at all the different features they have. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, we're at the dashboard point right now. 0 visits, clicks, conversions, revenue, cost, profit, ROI. A very big, in-your-face, all the variables that you need as a CPA marketer that you need to know. You see your top performing campaigns, the top performing countries, the top performing offers, and the top performing traffic sources. The profit would be displayed, but you can also select it based on cost and based on revenue. So that's interesting, but I would go with profit. So you see the campaigns that are making you the most amount of money. In that sense, this will create a graph here, interlining the lines of clicks, visits, conversions, cost, profit, and impressions. And in that way, you see it over a time-based period. So this is, I think, all one day? Yes. This is 9th of June, it also says it here. So you can see we're already at, it's on US time, I guess, because in my time, it's already 10 a.m. and here it's still 4 a.m. But it's all good. You can change it in the settings. So let's have a look at those settings then before we go anywhere. All right, so here, the reporting time zone. This has to be, apparently I cannot do Amsterdam time. So this would be for me, so it's on Eastern time right now. And we have to go all the way to here. Amsterdam, Berlin, UTC +1. So that's my time zone, visit, it's all good. So you have some different options here. I will do the standard currency in euros. And you can see every time you go to settings, you always keep the main information here regarding that specific tab you're on. So they have a new anti-fraud kit, and I don't know what this means. So let's have a look one by one what this means. MTTC, any specific input regarding that? Settings, MTTC is loading. Must be important. Or must be a lot of data. Mean time to convert configuration. No idea what that means. Set slow to high times to convert thresholds used to calculate TTC metrics. It's not something I would ever use because I don't even know what it means. Let's have a look at the anti-fraud kit, which is obviously very important. Our script will add an invisible link to your landing page, which only bots will able to see. So every visitor that clicks on it will be marked as suspicious, considering blocking traffic from sources with high suspicious clicks. Oh, that's cool. That's really nice. So I only have their provided domain, their regular domain set up. So you can also set up obviously a custom domain, and then you can add the script. So I am going to use that 100%. So this is IP UA filtering, custom conversions. You can make custom conversions, I would say. Yep. You see, postback, tracking pixel, URL, tracking pixel script. Nice. Event log, a whole list of all the events that are happening, integrations that are connected, collaboration tools, so many options. I don't even think you're going to use them all, right? Tracking URLs, and that is something you do. Click URL, multi-offer click, postback, conversion trackers. Those are important. Then you get your domain section with your obviously custom domain, and you can add a custom domain, and then you can request SSL on it. So this one doesn't have SSL. Then you have a referral program, your billing and subscription. I don't know what security is. Oh, it's just your password, email, two-factor authentication, and then your profile, and then the general settings. So the settings, pretty easy, pretty understandable. Then they have a help center, getting started, and contact us. So if you're new, you're probably going to the getting started document. Okay, and they have like a quick guide for you how to do everything, and obviously a very big help center. If you contact us, do they have like a chat or only email support? Yeah, so it will just message them a ticket. Okay, that's cool too. And look, a very big database of questions. So if you do get started, Do you get the videos again, or do we get questions? Yeah, see, first you do this, then you did this, blah, 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 all written out how to do it. Starter guide, lender guide, testing, all the things. So shouldn't be any issues. And other than that, of course, I have my partnership with Volume. So if you want to check out Volume, there's a link in the description down below. And actually through that link, you get tagged to my specific audience. And I made a deal that I have extra service because I do my masterminds, and my mastermind students need the extra service regarding the support Volume offers. And everybody who signs up through that link will get that as well. All right, so you can, what's this? That's maybe some news. Oh, yeah, the new shared reports, traffic distribution AI, custom notifications. Cool, but not super interesting for us right now. Then the notifications all caught up. Obviously, we're going to start at track because we have 2 more things here. So what are we going to look at? You have an error log here, which obviously, hopefully will never be full. You can day part, hours, date, browsers, operating system, devices, connection, country, custom conversions, affiliate networks, traffic sources, flows, lenders, offers, and campaigns. This is basically what you can filter on your specific campaigns. Regarding, let's talk, because this is not that interesting, right? This is just the overview that it will generate once you run the report. But for affiliate networks, what I like about Volume is that it has such an insane database of already preset up networks. So out of these ones, I am with almost all of them except this one. Then other templates, look at this. So Mundo, rest in peace, but like Gotcha, Movista, Dijs, Broker Babe, Click Dealer, like all of these. And as soon as you click them and load the template, then what happens is it inserts the tokens and the parameter, which for your string after the offer URL is obviously important. So I put in Big Bang Ads because I made a video on that. And then regarding the traffic sources, it's actually the same. So you can do new traffic source. So it comes with Volume DSP, which is by traffic, which I'll show later, and then Zero Park. And then I made Facebook. So I think they have it pre-set up for Facebook, but they have ExoClick, Mega Push, Pop, basically all of these, and then the main ones. So let's do Tonic. So if you see Tonic, it will load the advanced parameters, and that is all you basically need to look at by integrating these traffic sources to pass on the data you need in your tracker. So here it would be click ID, cost per click, source ID, match, carrier, mobile platform, and then country. And you press save, and then it's already there. Super easy, all pre-set up, and that's what I like, especially for beginners, because obviously I get tons of questions. How does this work? How does this work? And this is all just pre-set up. So you can make a unique flow pre-set up. It's not really needed because you can do it on the campaign tab as well. Same for lenders and offers. You can enter them manually, but there's really no need, because I like to do this. New campaign. Then I always do advanced. I don't like to do simple things. So they have like 3 steps, right? So first the traffic source. We do Facebook, global, we're going to run United States. And you see that it does this, Facebook 2, that's my traffic source, and then United States. And then you give the name which is attached to this. So this is test 1 YouTube. See, so this is what it will look like, the campaign name. Cost model, CPC. But in this scenario, it's not tracked because Facebook doesn't auto-populate. The only network, traffic network, I think, that does that. But right, next. Right, path. 302, fine. What we're going to do is create a new path, and then we're going to add a lender. Oh, no, it's not done like that. You actually go here and then create new lender. That's how you do it. So you can create a new lender and it will show up here, and the same with offer. So then we do 2. So this would be google.com. Oh, okay. So you see, and then we do a new offer, just so we can continue, of course. and then you press the affiliate network. And what happens as soon as you do this, then it would add the string to it. So here, as this is obviously not a real one, it needs the click ID. So you would do something like that. But in this, obviously this is not the right setup, but I just want to push it here so we can save, and then I can show you how it works. So we want to run it direct, not with the redirect. So as soon as you set up the custom domain, the pixel will be getted here, and you put that on your landing page, and that's it. Super simple. So I made this campaign New Zealand for a test campaign, and what you can filter on is you can do a drill down report, meaning you can do 3 levels. So you can do affiliate network, brands, browsers, versions, browser city, connection, conversions, country, day of the week, device types, hour of the day, IP, carrier, lenders, language, mobile carrier, models, month. This is all another interesting. Operation systems, offers, paths, refer, domain. And then this is obviously the fee ones. So I always do ad set name and campaign name. That's what I use, maybe placement. And then you can do, let's say I want this offer and I want to know the ad set name and I want to know the ad name. And then you can run down a whole drill down report to get to the source of the data you're looking for to optimize all your campaigns. So what happens is the anti-fraud details, how many suspicious clicks, blah, blah, blah. And it will load here in a colorful bar. So if it's all green, it's good. The more yellow or red it becomes, the more risk. Optimization calculator, how to optimize. Do you want to use these tools that often? Maybe not, but if you want to use the drill down report or the standardized report to optimize the data with large volumes, let's say millions of clicks, obviously these tools come in very useful, because let's say 5% of your traffic is fraud on $1 million in revenue, that's still a lot of money. So you can basically use all these filters like crazy, make charts, look at all the data to get the best information you need. And that's basically how Voluum works. What you can do if you hit buy traffic, it's called Voluum DSP. So I'll make a separate video on Voluum DSP because it's very interesting. So you have access to more than 30 ad exchanges with 24/7 campaign approval, all-in-one analytics and automated optimization. This is, for me, a new feature in Voluum, which makes it even more interesting. So what you're noticing is that Voluum wants to broker the buying and selling of traffic, because if you do find offers, it's in beta right now, but is it working? Yeah, you are getting a database of different offers you can run through Voluum. So they broker the buy and sell side and probably take a cut. So they want to expand and control the entire flow. Is this good for you? Yes, if it's easy. If they're going to take a cut out of your payout, not that good, but I don't know. I will cover this in a separate video, and I will do the DSP, which is my favorite part of Voluum right now, in also a separate video. But this was a whole introduction to Voluum, the most famous CPA marketing tracking software. How it works, what the features are. I think it's pretty basic if you are familiar with affiliate marketing, with CPA marketing. If not, play around with these options. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.